Hello everyone. As I'm new to electronics, there's a potential, even though I'm not stupid, there is a potential that I'll make a mistake and I really don't want something blowing up on my face. So what I've done is I've constructed this box, I call it a pop box, and I've configured it to have various levels of voltage, AC and DC, that I can connect over here on this side and put my new circuit board here and close it, lock it, and turn it on. And if it blows up, then I remain somewhat uninjured. If it does have an output, I have two places here I can choose for testing purposes, and that's what we'll do here. I have an on switch over here that is the main power, but until I turn this on, this is more like a standby power switch, like they have on some computer power supplies, the ATX ones. And then this switch here lets me choose between 12 or 24 volts AC. And here we have 12 volts AC, 24 volts AC, and then I have it broken down where 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and 18 volts DC for testing also. So what I've done, I have recently made this little board. It's a full bridge rectifier with the condition, and we're going to test it in our box here. And I'm gonna use the 12 volt AC for this one. All right, so let's open it up and hook it up. AC on. Open. Okay. Get our wires in there. Okay. Put this one over here. Okay. Now let's close it up. Little screws. Turn this on. Let's power it up. Okay. Looks like 12 volts. And we can see that it's working and it didn't blow up. Let's see what output we get. Should be about 18 volts. 12 volts times 1.41 is almost 18. And we get 18.3.4. Okay, looks good. Thank you for watching.